Hello, Betty Sayers at Buzz Savories. We're cooking salmon patties over a fresh lettuce salad this morning. We start with the salmon. 1.5 cups of salmon that I poached. You can use canned salmon, you can use grilled salmon, any kind of salmon. We just want it cooked into, so it flakes easily. And I'm going to just form it into little flakes right now, and it reaches 1.5 cups. Then the other ingredients are so simple. You will have them on hand. Mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of very fresh spring onions. And that is fresh from the garden, from the farmer's market. And 1 tablespoon of course, spicy beer mustard. And that is one of the key ingredients, because this complex ingredients in spicy beer mustard just add a great deal of flavor to this simple sauteed salmon burger. Then 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of, I use parsley. You can, any tender herb, if you have chives, if you have dill, put them in here. Now I'm going to add the parsley, the onions, mix together the mustard into 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add some salt, and I would say 1/2 teaspoon. Grind some pepper, and maybe 20 grinds, depending on your pepper grinder. Mine is probably 50 years old. Okay, here we go. Then this I put into the salmon. That is, you can have it warm or at room temperature, and gently mix it. And the important thing with this is to mix it and then put it in the refrigerator for a minimum time of an hour. And I left mine overnight because I was making it this morning. This is what this salmon patties look like. The next step is to get each patty into the breadcrumbs, and then we will saute them. And here are the breaded patties. The oil is hot. Let's begin. These will brown. Takes about 5 minutes aside. And while they're browning, we'll make the dressing for the salad. Now for the dressing. This delicious dressing is fun to make, and start with an empty pint jar. This is how I often make my dressings, because anything left over, you slip it in the refrigerator and you have one less item. The first thing that you need to do is 2 tablespoons of spicy beer mustard. Once again, you're doing this for the flavor. It has multi elements of flavor. Second part is lemon juice. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it calls for smashed garlic, but I just put in a few little pieces of dried garlic because it's easier. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, first I can shake this up. mix it easily. And then I'm adding olive oil, 1/2 cup. Oh, one more thing, I almost forgot my favorite thing, a tablespoon of Buzz Savory's artisanal local honey. There we go. The finished product. We're ready to finish this lovely salad. This is more than a salad, this is a meal. We finish it with a drizzle of this amazing salad dressing and serve more at the table. Buzz Savory's salmon salad for lunch.